Hello everyone, welcome to Cybersecurity 10. So, finally after waiting for a long time, I have received this reward from Hacktoberfest. So, without wasting time, let's unbox this and see what they have sent.
Thank you for watching this video. Like and share this video. Also subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification so that you don't miss upcoming videos. See you in the next video.